Welcome to my Sindhi kitchen where childhood memories and soul food like Sindhi curry, aloo tuk, sai bhaji, right up to hidden gems and recipes from different families from all over the world come here in this kitchen. When I'm cooking Sindhi food, it's damn serious. It's not just about recipes and flavors. I'm giving you a memory and a taste of my history. Welcome and let's start cooking! Sai Masala Mein Macchi. Sindhis, don't be surprised, we eat a lot of seafood, okay? Right from freshwater fish to people who are living in Mumbai, etc., who eat the pomfrets, prawns. We eat a lot of fish. Now, one of my favorite fish preparations in Sindhi is in a green masala, okay? So, hara masala or sai masale mein macchi is a very popular one. Basically, हम क्या करते हैं? हम एक green chutney type of marinate बनाते हैं and fish को हम marinate करते हैं थोड़ी सी salt और हल्दी के साथ, lemon juice के साथ and we leave it on the side. Then we make a nice green chutney and we beautifully literally steam that fish in the green chutney after sauteing the mixture a little bit. Now, Sindhis are quite popular to add a lot of different kind of vegetables in their proteins. For example, today's recipe, I'm making a fish in green masala with Karela. How does that sound? It is an absolute lip-smacking dish. You have to have an acquired taste for Karela, but once you get it, it's amazing. And for this recipe, I'm actually using Katla. So first things first, we have to get rid of we're going to peel these a little bit. And then उसके हम बीज निकालने वाले हैं और फिर उसको नमक के पानी में हम रख देते हैं ताकि उसकी जो कड़वापन है, okay, it'll come out, okay. So we're going to be cutting this in half and then using a spoon we just scoop these out, okay. ठीक है, तो most of the बीज जो हमने निकाल दिए अभी, okay, literally with a spoon we just take them out. Perfect. Oh. And now you have a choice. You can cut them into any. You want to do roundels. You want to cut them into sticks. I'm just going to slice them and put them in salted water. That's it. So little bit of salt here. So ये जो salt है, नमक जो है, आपका जो करेला का कड़वापन है ना, वो निकाल देता है चखा का. तो उसको अभी हमने स्लाइस कर लिया है. उसको पानी में डाल देते हैं आप. So over here I have about 550 grams of fish. Okay, all cut up like this. This dish is really very good, even with surmai, with pomfret. बहुत ही अच्छी है. And also, if you want to try it with prawns, Karela and green masala, it's amazing. You know, when I went to Calcutta for the first time, and I ate actually at a Bengali restaurant, and I have good Bengali friends, the way they treat their vegetables is actually a case study for me. And normally in my house, in our house, we never really were fed Karela, Turi, etc. But I've started combining bitter gourds, dudi, loki, all with meats and fish. Especially I think the gourds family, yani ke dudi, zucchini, the bitter gourd, the ivy gourd, the kentola, I think go really well with seafood. Don't you agree? If you don't agree or you have any other cool ideas for me to pair with fish, something unusual, not the usual vegetables, the unusual vegetables, I'm more than happy to learn from you, believe me. So, इसकी preparation हो गई है. अभी हम हमारे fish को थोड़ी सी marination कर देते हैं, okay? So we have a Katla fish, okay? और अभी हम डालेंगे इसमें थोड़ी सी हल्दी. Lovely. So we are going to be mixing this up nicely, marination, just salt and haldi, that's it. Okay, और अभी हम बनाएंगे हमारा ग्रीन मसाला. चलो बनाते हैं अभी. And now for our green masala. So it is 80% or I would say even 90% of coriander and literally just a 10% of mint. Very simple. वही समझने की बात है. फिर chillies 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, it's a little spicy this dish. Then one nice big piece of adrak. And then we have our garlic. So I think there are about 6 to 7 cloves of garlic, okay? Because remember, this is the masala for the whole dish, okay? Literally, it has to carry the fish, it has to carry the Karela, okay? Which means that it needs to have a really nice kick to it. Then we have a little bit of Jeera powder. We have a little bit of salt here. Lovely. And juice of one lemon, which we can adjust later when we finally taste our masala with the fish. So पूरा हमने निचोड़ लिया है. Let's move on to the other side now. तो हमारा green masala अभी बन रहा है यहाँ पे. Beautiful. Now कभी मैं क्या करता हूँ? If I want like a really green, beautiful, strong paste, ना एक trick है. Trick नहीं है. I mean it's a lot of the you go to a good chutney wala. Okay, I have a very famous sandwich wala friend. Okay, sandwich wala shop. And I asked him, I said, भाई तेरी चटनी इतनी super green कैसे होती है? Saying, chef, थोड़ा सा मैं पालक blanch करके डाल देता हूँ. That's your hack, bro. Blanch your spinach, add it into this, and I put a little bit of crushed ice when I wanted like a mega, like a screamingly green chutney. That's what I do. Anyway, you learn that. Perfect. Wow, क्या fragrance है. So now for our fish. Beautiful. We have a kadai here. And this is for our Karela. Talking about the Karela. So this has been in salt water for a while. And now I'm going to squeeze the excess water out. So what happens with the salt? That the salt pulls out all the bitter flavors, all the astringent and bitter flavors of the Karela. So now we have our oil heated up. I'm going to do a little bit of tempering. So I've got with me a bit of Jeera here, into which we're going to drop our fish. Amazing. So we have our fish cooking at a medium-ish temperature. So we just quickly turn the fish over, just like that. Beautiful. And then next, we're going to be adding our green masala to this. Now look at that. So gravy की gravy बन जाती है, मसाले का मसाला हो जाता है. Give this a little shake. अभी हम इसे थोड़ी सी धीमी आंच पे पका लेते हैं. Perfect. So fish and green masala almost done. Now let's do our Karelas also. Oh yeah. So हमारे करेले, they become nice and crispy-ish. Nice, beautiful. A complete contrast. Now, अगर आप देखोगे, I'm just trying to tell you how the breaking the dish down in flavor. Green chutney, fresh, mint, tangy, spicy. The fish very rich and buttery. So you have this whole buttery, fresh preparation, and then suddenly you have these crispy, bitter, astringent vegetable. So trust me, this is a whole jugalbandi. Okay? Beautiful. So we've got, I'm going to dry these out a little bit. Then I'm going to season it separately. Now in the meanwhile, let's plate our fish up. So we have a nice, lovely fish steak right here in the middle. Beautiful. A very lovely home style comforting dish. Then we have our Karela, which I'm going to put right here, to which a little bit of red chilli powder, a little bit of Chaat Masala, a little bit of Aamchoor. Okay, Sindhis love their Aamchoors. Okay, the Aamchoors, the Anardanas, that's the whole North India, pre-partition Punjab, that's the whole vibe coming from there. And then we have this lovely kurkure karele on the top. और हमारी ग्रीन मसाले वाली मच्छी with करेलो is ready. Like करो, share करो, subscribe करो, and don't forget, you are what you eat. सभी चाहो झूलेलाल.